This is our exam time. Which exam today is held here? Which exam? Which exam? Shamas. No, it's not right name. The right name is yes, Bangladesh O Bisho Porichiti. Okay. Are you gave answer correctly? Yes. Okay. Who finished the answer? Raise your hand. Who finished? You finished. Every answer. MashaAllah. Say MashaAllah. MashaAllah. What's your name? Yasir. Every day Yasir gave answer quickly and he became fast every day. Why? Why don't you fast every day? Why? He's a man, he's a boy, he's a student. You also a boy, you also a student. But he he became fast every day, but you can't. Why? You couldn't. Why? Okay. Try to make you fast. Understand?